Due to the pandemic, teens are feeling especially isolated, being stuck inside all day, and only being able to communicate through apps and not through in-person interaction. This can be devastating to somebody's mental health. This can cause serious changes in someone. Teen depression is at a very high rate due to this isolation. Fortunately, there are some ways to combat this. Try limiting your consumption of the news.
Try distracting yourself. You might want to even start a new hobby like gardening, going for walks, learning an instrument, writing some music, or coloring. These are all methods to cope during these hard times, but if you or someone you know is still heavily depressed or dealing with suicidal thoughts, call 800-273-8255.